Hey guys, it's me, April. It's been a very, very long time, but I got some polishes to show you today, and it's from Madam Glam, New York. And these polishes are just so darn pretty. I have a glow-in-the-dark one, which is going to be super, super duper excited because it's gel version, and normally like glows I have are like regular, but this blue, oh my gosh. And I just got a regular baby pink. Very pretty. This one is kind of like a taupe color. Love. And then this gold one. It's not me, it's you. Or I think it's you, it's me. Anyways, so I can't wait to swatch these for y'all. So stay tuned. Alright, so let's go ahead and bring down Natalie. And this is my Natalie from Flexi Hand. I'm just going to be swatching them on these nails here. And the LED light that I will be using is from Madam Glam as well. I actually had gotten this from a group buy a while ago. It's been a while. Alright, so let's go ahead with the number 1 polish. And this is Sky Fall. Or Sky Felt. It's a beautiful kind of like, it's like a foiled blue with a tint of blue in it. It is very beautiful. It was hard for me to show it in video and how beautiful this is, but if you guys see it, I mean, it's beautiful. It's really, really good. So let's go ahead with the first swatch. All of these swatches that I will be doing, it will just be the first swatch, and then to get kind of like the, to kind of get the, you know, the perfect tone, I would do it either in 2 coats or 3 coats if need be. So this is the first coat. And this polish, like I said, it's a blue with a silver foily metallic look to it. I just love the way it looks, and it looks very beautiful. Now, let's go ahead with the next one. And this one is a gold. This one doesn't have any foil or anything in it, but this one is kind of like a very hardcore gold shimmer. It doesn't even look like it's glitter. I think it's just like pretty much 100% gold shimmer. To me, that's what I think. So let's go ahead and do it on our ring finger. And see with this one looks very metallic-y look as well. It's just so pretty, and I just love each and every one of these polishes that are coming out, or that they gave me to swatch for y'all. So the next one is going to be the baby pink, and we all know what baby pink looks like. So here it is. It has no glitter, no shimmer, no nothing, nada, zippo. It's just a plain cream pink. And who doesn't love a plain cream pink? I like it. I mean, it would look better with like some, you know, holographic glitter or something on it, you know. But y'all know me. I need my glitter. And as you can see, yes, it's opaque in 1 coat. 1 coat. I mean, I didn't have to do any touch-up, anything. But let's go ahead and just do a second coat just for the fun of it. But really, it was opaque in one coat. What do you guys think of the colors so far? Pretty, right? All right, so the next one is Fancy Bikini. For some reason, I kind of think I have this one, but I can't really remember if I do. But it's that taupey looking color. It has like a very hint of pink and purple to it. It's beautiful, stunning. Let's think of another word. Stunning. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and swatch it. I mean, really, look at it. And it's a perfect like fall color too, that you can use with like, you know, reds and oranges and, you know, flakes. This one as well is a one coat, and we're gonna go ahead and do a second coat just for the fun of it. But you know, I really like these creams so far. I've had swatched a couple of them before, and they weren't as good as these ones. And now that, you know, they are veggie free or vegan, sorry, it's vegan now. But you see how this color just matches perfectly with all the other colors. It just looks beautiful. All right, so the last color is going to be the glow in the dark one, which I'm super duper excited. This one is called a Black Light, and we're gonna go ahead and just swatch it on this regular plain color, you know, natural. So here it is, what I was talking about: cruelty free and vegan, and 9 free. I am so sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm messing up on my words, guys. Bear with me. It's been how long since I posted a video? Shit. Anyway, so yeah, we're just gonna do, I believe I did 2 coats of this one as well, just to see if, you know, the glow in the dark would come out more brighter on the second coat. So let's go ahead and put that in my Madam Glam light. And this is a UV LED light. All right, so here it is. It's like a turquoise, you know, kind of a color, but kind of like an aqua. It's very pretty. It's, you know, it's that normal bluish kind of color. It's really, really pretty. I love it. I mean, literally, I love anything that's glow in the dark. Anything. So let's go ahead and do that second coat, like I said, and see if it's brightens even more. Put that in the LED light for 30 seconds. And voila. I think it actually did get brighter on the second coat. But I really, really like it. What do you guys think? Very nice, huh? Okay, so here it is, all 5 polishes all together, and I'm just going to be putting the polish bottles right next to the swatch. But I really, really like these colors. I will be using these in some future videos, especially that blue one. God, it's something about that blue one. Maybe use that one with the glow in the dark. Alright guys, so thanks guys for watching. I sure do appreciate it. I am having all the little swatches here so you guys can see them with their name a little bit better. And I really do appreciate you guys for sticking around for this long without me posting the video. And again, I am greatly appreciated. I love you guys all. I missed you guys, and I am hoping to come back with more videos. So thanks again. Bye.